Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Valorant Party Restricted Fix. So if you are ever encountered a party is restricted, here's what you do. So first, check your ranks. So make sure your party members' ranks are within the allowed range, up to 3 ranks apart in the most cases. If someone is in the party has a rank far outside this range, they won't be able to queue within. So if you want, you can just do 5-man. So it will queue anyways even if you're Bronze 2 Radiant. Second thing is low account level. To play the rank match, your account needs to be reached as a certain level, usually is level 20. And the third thing is a behavior restriction. So when a player is very toxic and very bad, or sometimes when they keep leaving the game, they will have restrictions. So in that amounts, you just need to contact the Riot Games and explain your situation. And another one is a Valorant bug. Sometimes it's a bug, and if it's a bug, just restart your game, restart your PC, and there you go, it's done. So if none of these solutions work, you might want to reach out to the Riot support for further assistance. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.